I've done a lot of plastic surgery, so
Okay, so.
which means so much straight. Because if I buy something now, instead of going to school like this,
Right.
and that starts to clear.
Okay. It's from Asia too.
So maybe
So basically, left eye is longer and thicker. Thank you. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. 네, 감사합니다. 네, 네. 일단